What's up? My name is Satyam and this is a www.tutorialsworld.com website. If you didn't visit the website, then first I recommended to go to this website and watch every PHP tutorial from beginning to last. So in this tutorial I'm going to think for the let us start on something new, different thing. Generally when we appear for the interview, then the people mostly ask the question related to PHP, but we can run any simple program, but we can't exact answer about the PHP. So I thought provide a simple tutorial of the PHP so that you can crack many of interview in the PHP. Okay, let us start it. So when we generally go in the any interview, the generally people ask related to PHP. First, our main important question is the what is PHP. So let us start it. So here I'm going for the what the PHP. Here you can see PHP, and first in the initially when the PHP was, then the first stand for P stand for personal, and next H stand for home, and next stand P for page. So it was the personal home page, but it nowadays it has been modified and it has been PHP hypertext preprocessor. Okay, so what is PHP? Let us start it. So PHP stand for the PHP stand for PHP hypertext preprocessor. In this, first P stand for PHP, and next H stand for hypertext, and next P stand for preprocessor. Okay, so it's mean that the nowadays it will called the PHP hypertext preprocessor. You can see it is an open source server side scripting language. So our next question is what the open source server side scripting language. Okay, so it's mean that the we generally go at that place, and which modification we want to do, we can do it very easily in the scripting language. So and next our thing is why we are going to use the PHP. Okay, so generally the PHP we use for the related to the database. So database stand for where you can store some attribute like user names, password, and something like that. Okay, I will tell you detail about these things. First, you see it is an open source server side scripting language that is widely used for the web development. Okay, it's mean that we generally visit any website, then something we can see, we have to log in here, and we have to do something here, we have to do something like that. So what happened, suppose if you will fill up a simple form, then what we have to do, you have to log in there, and suppose you have to fill up your entry like name and the date of birth, something like that. So it will enter these things. So generally it goes in our database, and at one place you can save that one. So I'm going a simple example. So let us I'm going providing example of Facebook, and everyone visit the Facebook. So every person have a unique email ID or username and the password. So there are billions of users in this world of the Facebook, but when we are going to log in these things, then when you putting your username and password, then only you can access your account, not other account, because there are millions of users, and they have different username and password. Okay, so these all things would stored at one place that we will call database. Okay, so here you can say it support many database like MySQL, Oracle, CSS, and etc like that, and ODBC, many like thing like that. Okay, so only is these things related to database. I hope you got it. What is the PHP and what is related to database and like MySQL, and for the further I will tell you later. I hope it will helpful for you. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up button, and I hope please subscribe it. Thank you guys for watching.